ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന അമ്മണി ചേച്ചിക്ക് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും പ്രാർത്ഥനകളും ഒത്തിരി സ്നേഹത്തോടെ നേരുന്നു. ചേച്ചിയുടെ സഭയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളെയും ദൈവം നൂറുമേനി ഫലമണിയിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു.
Congratulations to you, Andy. Thank you for the 50 years of dedicated service to the Lord, and I am proud of you.
Congratulations to you, dearest Ammani. Jubilee greetings, prayerful wishes. May the Lord continue to bless you and keep you always under His loving care and protection. All the best.
ജൂബിലി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ആൻറ്റിക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു.
Hello sister, good evening. How are you? Hoping you're doing all good.
Congratulations sisters, completing 50th on your sisterhoods. God bless you.
Congratulations sister.
And many more years to come. May God bless you with good health.
And may you continue to inspire a lot many people just as you've done to all of us.
There
Shall be showers of blessings. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshings sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessings, showers of blessings we need. Mercy flows from those are falling, but for the showers we breathe.
ഗോൾഡൻ ജൂബിലി ആശംസകൾ അമ്മൻ ചേച്ചി. ഗോഡ് ബ്ലെസ് യു അബാൻഡൻ്റ്ലി. താങ്ക് യു.
Hello sister auntie, the Joseph family would like to congratulate you on your very special occasion, your golden jubilee.
ഗോൾഡൻ ജൂബിലി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന സിസ്റ്റർ ആൻറ്റിക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും മംഗളാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു.
Congratulations auntie.
Jubilee greetings, Ammani ചേച്ചി.
സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ ആന്റിക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും സ്നേഹപൂർവ്വം ജൂബിലി ആശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു.
ഗോൾഡൻ ജൂബിലി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ആന്റിക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും 1000 ആശംസകൾ.
ഗോൾഡൻ ജൂബിലി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന അമ്മണി ആന്റിക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. ഹാപ്പി ജൂബിലി ആന്റി.
Sister Teres, congratulations for your golden jubilee. എൻ്റെ ത്രസ്യാമ്മ എന്നെ ഇട്ടിട്ട് നേരത്തെ പോകുന്നില്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ ഞാനും വീട്ടില്ലേ, ഞാനും കുറേ പോകുന്നു. All the best, God bless you, praying for you, I am with you on that day. Enjoy.
Congratulations auntie on your golden jubilee of your profession. Prayerful thanks on your service to God.
Happy golden jubilee auntie.
Ave Maria, gratia plena, Dominus tecum, benedicta tu in mulieribus, et benedictus fructus ventris tui, Jesus. Sancta Maria, Mater Dei, ora pro nobis peccatoribus, nunc et in hora mortis nostrae.
Hello, Sister Teresa. How are you? I hope you're fine. I hope you remember me. I'm Anjali, and I really want to wish you for completing your 50 years in service. You have really done very good job. Whenever I hear your name, I remember Mother Teresa. You are just a replica of her. You have really done so many things for so many children. You have changed so many children's life, especially if I talk about me. Today, whatever I am, it's just because of you. Because I remember that day when you have accepted me, as a child, and I have, you have accepted me as a child, and I was in Sneha Sadan. I have grown up really very well. I also remember my sickness, and I was hiding from you, but you really helped me for that. You really, I remember each day you were behind me to take my medicines and everything, and you made me that I should be cured with this. I have not only cured with my illness, but really as a human being also I have grown up so much. I wish I could meet you any time, but here today I really especially want to wish you for your special day, sister. So I request you, whenever you come to India, let me know. I want to meet you, and I have small daughter who is 11 years old now, and she's studying in St. Anthony's School in Chembur. So whenever you are there in India, let me know. I really want to come and meet you, and I will pray for you for your long life. I will pray for you, really. I really miss you, sister. I love you, and thank you so much once again.